In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get these soft, bouncy curls without using any heating tools. Hi everyone, my name is Nayana and welcome to my channel. I know we all love getting curls every now and then, but if you're somebody with wavy hair or straight hair, that's usually not very easy to attain. So today I'll be showing you a very super easy method in which you can definitely get these soft and bouncy curls very easily at home. So for this, all you need is a bunch of bobby pins and nothing more. So if you want to learn how to get these super soft and bouncy curls, please stay tuned and keep watching. So I've got wavy hair, and though I get curls at the very end of my hair at times, it doesn't really happen all the time. So this is what I do whenever I want to get some soft, light curls on my hair. But before getting started, brush through your hair thoroughly to get rid of any knots. Since I don't have a lot of volume, I'm just going to divide my hair into 4 sections. If you've got volume, you can just divide it into 5 or even 6 sections. So I'm taking the first front section and I need my hair a little damp. So you can either do this after a hair wash when your hair is almost dry, but here I'm spraying some water to dampen my hair. I brush through that portion again. So like a curling barrel, we will be using our fingers to curl our hair. I'm using 2 fingers, but you can use 1 or 2 or 3 fingers depending on the size of the curls that you want. And also, you can curl it inwards or outwards according to how you want your curl to stay. But I decided to curl it inwards. So I curl that part of my hair all around my fingers very tightly, and when I get to the end, I hold the curled hair and slowly take my fingers out. Now curl this remaining portion towards your head, and now pin this part using 2 bobby pins from both the sides to hold it firmly. So that's it. That's the step you need to repeat on all of your sections. Just took me around 5 minutes to do the whole thing completely. And this is how my hair looks. So after you have tied up and kept your hair like this, the time required to set it would totally depend on your hair type. So if you've got naturally really straight hair, I would recommend that you keep it for at least 8 hours. So possibly while you're sleeping, it's better to sleep like this. If you've got really wavy hair, I would say it should be set in about an hour or 2. So it totally depends on your hair type. For the first time, I would say that you should just keep it for 8 hours just to be sure. So after that, you can always try reducing the time and see what works out for you best. Another thing that I've noticed is that this looks really cool as a hairstyle in itself. So if you've got like an event for the evening and you've got work in the morning, so I would say that you could just go to your work with this hairstyle and just leave it like this throughout the whole day, and then come back home and just untie this for your curls to get formed. So I think even that should work really well for you busy people out there, and so neat and tidy, so it should be really appropriate for your office or college or anything as well. So I'm going to keep my hair like this for an hour or 2 and then get back and see how the curls have formed. So I'll be back. So I'm back after 3 hours of keeping my hair like this. So I'm gonna uncurl the whole thing now and show you how the curls have turned out. absolutely love how the curls have come out, and this is in just 3 hours. So for wavy hair, 2 to 3 hours should be quite enough to get these curls, and for naturally straight hair, definitely go for 8 hours or so that you do get these curls to stay. And I'm going to be using some argan oil on my hair to just bunch it up a little bit, just to keep it very well done. So I hope that I've helped out those of you who love having curls but have never been able to actually get it to stay. So I hope that you try this method out. It's super simple and it just takes 5 minutes to get it done, and then a couple of hours according to your hairstyle. Please do try it out and let me know how the curls come out for you. If you did enjoy this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you share this video with any of your girlfriends who might want to get this done and who's been hoping to get curls easily. So this is a solution for them. So I will see you again next time with another video. So till then, bye bye.